Hey there, I'm glad you made it. Isaiah Gibson here, a digital marketer that you've probably seen all over the internet. I want to officially welcome you to the Systeme.io Success Kit. The Success Kit is a bundle of 8 courses and bonuses with a total value of over $14,000. But don't worry, I won't sell you this bundle for anything close to that. What I am going to do is set you up for success, even if you decide not to buy today. I want you to win, and I genuinely think there's enough out there for all of us to succeed. The Systeme.io Success Kit isn't just any package. It's a complete suite of 8 courses, each designed to empower you in areas like affiliate marketing, email marketing, coaching, and course launching. It's everything you need all in one place. Now let's break it down. You get private label rights to Systeme.io's top performing courses, as well as access to view and learn from these courses yourself. The courses teach skillful copywriting, how to launch and scale an online business, how to crush email marketing, and so much more. Each course opens up unlimited possibilities, while I'm here to help you weave together the pieces. Now I'm sure you're asking, what's the real benefit? These courses are packed with actionable content. There's no fluff, just real strategies that work. And the best part, you learn how to create passive income streams, giving you more time for what truly matters. Now let's talk about how you can use this kit. You can sell these courses individually, tapping into different niches, or you can bundle them up for an irresistible offer. Imagine offering your audience a complete roadmap to online business success. Let's get practical. Each course is designed to be user-friendly, perfect for beginners, yet valuable for seasoned marketers. You can start applying these strategies right away, whether you're building your brand or helping others grow theirs. Are you ready to take the leap? Sign up below for access to the Systeme.io Success Kit. It's more than just courses. It's your ticket to financial freedom and a lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Don't just take my word for it. Here are some success stories from students who transformed their lives using this kit. Emily imported her funnel and added some basic automations. On her first day, she took off and got a ton of sales. Misbah and Mr. Bandara here are also crushing it with their PLR bundle sales. There are hundreds more success stories inside the Facebook group, but the idea is the same. Use an existing high-quality product to help everyday people build true financial freedom. Then you add to it with your own unique services to help sweeten the pot. Imagine a life where you're not just chasing deadlines, but living on your own terms. That's what the Systeme.io Success Kit offers. So are you ready to join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs? You can gain access to the Systeme.io Success Kit below. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.